Okay guys, thank you very much, you can finish. Right now we're going to change a little bit and we're going to have 3 teams, so you just need to remember what I tell you. Okay? Okay, potato, tomato, cucumber. Potato, tomato, cucumber. Potato, tomato, cucumber. Potato, tomato.
What?
Cucumber? So please, cucumbers with cucumbers, tomatoes with tomatoes, potatoes with tomatoes. Stand up, take your stuff, find your group mates and sit down together.
Who is potato? Tomato or potato?
So find your teams and sit down.
Potato? Potato. Potato.
Cucumber, sit down.
Tomato.
Tomato. Guess who are you?
Cucumber.
Hold on. Guess who are you? Tomatoes. Guess who are you? Potatoes. Well done. Now please, in your teams of 4, divide 2 pairs and tell your new partners 2 facts about your previous partners according to what you talked about. 2 facts. Okay? Guys, are we working in groups of 4? No. No, please divide into pairs. And in group of 3, you can start right now. Thank you very much.
Okay. I want to tell you about my previous partner. So one of them, since she haven't visited Georgia for a long time. And the second, Ira has she colored his hair. She has studied ancestors. She had for a few years. My partner is in Bursha. And he doesn't
For a long time.
She's a teenager.
Jana has known fictitious friend Vika since or her friend Vika since she was a teenager.
Having been in the village since he was a child, and he
Okay, guys.
wanted to buy this instructor.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I see that you can listen to each other, and that is very good. It's very important. Let's check how well you can listen to me right now. I'm going to read some sentences which I heard from you, and these sentences have little mistakes. You just need to listen, and without speaking, you need to understand what is the mistake, and if you know what is wrong, you just raise your hand. Okay? When I read the sentence, do you need to shout where the mistake is? No. Just raise your hand, okay? I can read twice. So, my first sentence is, I haven't speak with my school teacher since I left school. I haven't speak with my school teacher since I left school. If you know, raise your hand. Okay, Jana, please.
I haven't spoken with my school teacher since I left school.
Okay, yes. Why spoken?
Third form.
Third form. You know it, just don't forget. Just control yourself a little bit, okay? The next one. She haven't visited Georgia for a while. One more time. She haven't visited Georgia for a while. Andrew?
She hasn't.
She hasn't. Of course, again, control yourself. You can do it. And my favorite one is, he hasn't been in Georgia yet. He hasn't been in Georgia yet. Yet. He hasn't yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
One more time, okay?
okay.
He hasn't been in Georgia yet.
She
Yeah,
has
she
been
has.
in Jordan yet, it's right. But
She
not
been in Georgia yet.
Yet. In what type of sentences do we use yet? Yet?
Yes.
It's present perfect.
Without me?
Without being?
No.
No.
Let me write it down.
Вона ще не буде
She didn't
в
visit.
Don't need to translate. You don't need that. So, he hasn't been. Yet.
It can be without
Not
Without
to
Georgia.
Well, guys, if you say hasn't been without yet, it's okay. If you add it, it's not a mistake. You just add extra details, but this part, yes.
Georgia yet.
Two, when we talk about our experiences and we talk about places like Georgia or some cities, we always use to. I haven't been to the US, or I haven't been to some, or I haven't been to Spain. It's a little detail, but it's also important, okay? Okay guys, thank you very much, you've done a good job. I have a couple of more sentences for you. I think I need your opinion about it. So students must prepare for lessons and speak English only, and teachers have to check students' home tasks. Please, together with your partners, discuss whether you agree or disagree with it and why.
What do you think?
Not
Must be important for me. I must seek help if I will be a help.
Special
Important to me. I said you should
it's one of the opportunity to learn
all.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. You can finish. Okay, well, I see that you have a big discussion on what exactly should I use here and here. How do we call these words like must, have to?
Must have to its rule, when it's rule, must.
Well, so in general we call them modal verbs, right? And you tell that it's about a rule, right? So both of them are about some certain rule, yeah? So it's important and no other ways to do like this, yeah? So if I have students must prepare for lessons and speak English only during classes, do you agree that it should be like this, like a rule, no other way? No, you disagree?
Maybe no.
Students
Students have
prepare.
have to prepare.
Maybe have to. Okay. Maybe have to.
Maybe should.
Maybe should.
Should.
What other models do you know?
Must.
Can.
Can. What else? Can. Very good. Anything else?
May.
May, that's right, that's right. We're not going to talk about May today, but it's also here in this group of models. Well, let's then discuss them in more details. I'm going to give you the worksheet. We have task number 1. We have pictures with some words there, and your task is to match pictures and 9 sentences you have here. Sentences with pictures. You can work together with your partners.
First, see. Be paid in advance. Paid
watch a free movie.
Work together with partners.
You don't have to pay.
Therefore, you must turn off your mobile before you come in. Oh, no. For A. Silence, examine problem. Addition. 9, it's
Weekend.
what is this? 9. Can I
Yes, yes. Maybe it's 5, it's 8.
You mustn't talk here. Yes. Yes. You must turn off your mobile phone.
You should brush your teeth twice a day for
Turbines to this picture. Three is visual aid. No food here, please. You can't eat it here. You don't have to see this. Or if you film you don't have to pay to see this. I know you don't have to pay to see this film. You can watch it free.
I think about
Pay before you start. See.
I think about a second.
It works only if you don't
You don't have to come if you don't want.
exogram class on Friday.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Do you see? You have to pay before you start. Coffee. You shouldn't drink so much coffee. 60.
Okay, guys. Look at the picture. Which sentence do you have with this picture?
5. You mustn't talk near here.
5, are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. Very good. What about this one?
You don't have to pay to see this. You can watch it.
Yes, you have 2 here. Yeah, 2. You can watch a free movie and you don't have to pay to see this movie again.
Synonym sentences.
Yes, that's right. So synonym to can is don't have to, and don't have to is a synonym to can, right? Okay. What about this one?
You have to pay before you start.
One. That's right. Again, in advance means before it starts. Okay. Sorry, you can check. Do you have the same?
Turn off your mobile
Yes.
phone.
You must turn on.
What about this one?
Three.
Which one?
Three.
Number
You
three.
can't eat.
Yes, that's right. What about this one?
You don't have to come if you don't want to.
That's right. Number two. Very good. What about this one?
You shouldn't brush.
You should brush. Yes, that's right. And what about this one?
You shouldn't have so much coffee.
Good, that's right. Number 9. Good. Now let's take a look at the second part of this exercise. You have look at the highlighted expressions and answer the questions. You have 5 rules. And you have the lines of the modal verbs you need to write here. For example, for the first one, how many modal verbs do you have?
2.
2. That's right. For the second one,
One.
only 1. That's right. Look at the examples. They will help you. Please, together with your partners.
Should. Sorry, have one question. If we have a choice, we can. When you model work can.
It isn't obligatory. It isn't necessary. So consider all the rules.
This has to and this must have.
Think about first 2 and then find the model. Only from the sentences. Do you have extra here?
No.
Have to hold before.
You can.
What is English for? Obligation. This is what you like a rule for you. Yeah.
Should do this.
Well, should is not a obligation.
Must not.
Against the wall, there's no problem.
Try to finish. Okay, guys. Now please take this piece of paper, stand up, find somebody from a different table and compare. Don't sit down. Just compare. Nothing.
Have it's